Sorry about that. Didn't have my microphone in. Sorry about that. So, we're going to do a pre-market analysis. We are balancing inside the uh, intraday Globex range. We can break these ranges up into sections. Globex, London, um, 1 hour IB, and daily range RTH, etc., etc. And you can see that we are just stabilized perfectly within the range. And so the daily opportunity is about 371 points. So there's several ways to approach this. We can take it from the current low up to see where we would get to at these PT23 levels. That's 221. So we can expect more of a range, and maybe we would get the more of the range if the price came back to get the close, maybe bounced off the pivot points before it headed back higher later today, something like that. And then we can look for our uh, daily either 265. So 265 would put us right at the R1 on a medium volatility day. And when you're inside the range, you're in a medium to low volatility day. That's not high volatility. High volatility is when you get outside these ranges. So about 265 points from the pivot point to the R1, and with the green PT levels and that one red one. So, somewhere between the 14067 and the 14440.75 or 1450, 450, something like that, is a range possibility for an inside day. Now, if we were to open and go immediately for a high drive off the open instead of the gap close, so we just continue driving higher, then we're going to be wanting to look for these upper white lines. That's your weekly ones off the open and close. So I'm taking my range distributions off the open and the close of the range. Algos will hit both. And so that would be the target to trade to. And if we do get the third level, the 371, that would take us to the R2s. There is a second white open and close of the weekly, and that above that would be where you would want to park your credit spreads for today. So above 14,500, I might even try to tuck it behind this PT level, 14,525, maybe a 550 or something or higher. So if we're going to be looking at credit spreads, parking them that high, that's when you want to go inside your options, look at Quick Strike, log in, you can register, and then I go to the actually the open interest, and I'll look for my heat map of open interest and volume at these levels. So I was thinking 14,500 or 14,467. So let me make sure my end of the month is on here. My Monday, Wednesday, and I need to add strikes. 15 is too little, so I'm going to put 50 strikes up. Okay, so let's see the 14,500. 14, not 500, what did I say? 14,467.50. I'm going to need more. Let's put them all up. Here we go. So you can see this 14.5 is like a magnet. It's got all the protection here. And that 450 has a little bit of protection. But if they get up here, you can see that they're going to be going for the, like a flame to the moth. So I definitely would try to tuck it behind that level and use that as your breaker to sell the spreads, because that is in range, up a full range. All right, so that is today's range for futures and options. All right, thank you so much. Y'all have a good day.